Connecting to Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services Cubes. Establishing a connection to a cube can be achieved with a few simple steps inside an Excel workbook. From the Office ribbon, navigate to the Data tab. Once you're there, click the From Other Sources drop-down to expose a list of connection options. Mouse over the From Analysis Services option and click the left mouse button. This will open a data connection wizard which will prompt you for information pertaining to the Analysis Services server and credentials that you will use to connect to the cube. After entering the server information, leave the default option of Use Windows Authentication so your credentials can be compared to the roles assigned to you within the cube. Mouse over Next and click the left mouse button. Once your roles have been identified, you will be provided a list of cubes and perspectives that you can connect to. After selecting the desired cube, mouse over Next and click the left mouse button. The data connection file will be saved so it can be used to reconnect to the cube in other workbooks. Here you can put in a description for the connection file, a friendly name so it's easy to understand what the connection's being made to, and search keywords so you can easily find it when searching through connection files. After you've filled out as little or as much detail as you desire, hit Finish to complete the connection to the cube. You will be prompted for a target location for where to put the pivot table that you will use to browse the cube data. You can pick a cell within the existing worksheet, or you can select an option to put it in a new worksheet within the open workbook. Make your selection and hit OK. Browsing the cube is as easy as manipulating a pivot table. The pivot table field list contains pre-aggregated measures, dimensions, hierarchies, and datasets. Select a measure and a dimensional attribute from the pivot table field list to check cube browsability. After the table area populates, double-click on a row value to query detailed information from the cube and retrieve it into a new worksheet. If the data populates, your connectivity has been confirmed. Connecting to a cube that already has a data connection file is simple. Close your analysis and create a new workbook. From the new workbook, browse to the Data tab and select Existing Connections. There you'll find the Analysis Services connection that you created earlier during the video. Select the Direct Cells data connection file, then click Open with the left mouse button. You are now able to start a new analysis using the existing data connection file. If you have any problems connecting to Analysis Services Cube, or if you require additional support, contact the Fordham BI team at bi-team@fordham.edu.